Hello everyone, and welcome back to Zimist Coded. If you've been searching for a simple way to clear your YouTube search history on your laptop, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, nice and easy, so you can follow along without any rush. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and head straight to YouTube. Once the homepage loads, look over at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu, and right under the section labeled You, there's an option called History. Go ahead and click on it. Now, once the History page opens, look toward the right side. You should see a button that says Clear All Watch History. You can simply click on that to wipe everything instantly, your watch history and your search history together. But maybe you want more control over what gets deleted. So instead of clearing everything at once, let's explore the advanced options. Click on Manage All History. This will take you to the full YouTube search and watch history page, where everything is listed in detail. If you scroll through the page, you'll see all your past searches and videos you've watched. If you want to remove just one item, look for the small X next to it. Clicking this removes that specific search or watch entry, quick and easy. But if you want to delete a larger portion or even everything at once, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button labeled Delete. Click on it, and YouTube will show you a few options. The first one is Delete Today, which clears everything you've searched or watched just today. The next option is Delete Custom Range, which allows you to pick a specific date range. Perfect if you only want to erase activity from a certain period. And finally, Delete All Time, which completely clears your entire YouTube search and watch history from the very beginning. Just choose the option that fits what you want to do. I'll select Delete Today. You may be asked to confirm your choice. If you see that prompt, just confirm it and you're done. That's it. Clearing your YouTube search history is simple, and now you know exactly where everything is. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy-to-follow tech guides and helpful tips. See you in the next one.